Under the scorching afternoon sun, Sam strains, muscles bulging as he drags a massive log towards the riverbank. Sweat beads trickle down his forehead, each drop reflecting the intensity of his struggle against the heavy wood. The river reflects the determination etched on Sam's face. The afternoon sun beats down, testing his resolve, but Sam persists, driven by an unseen purpose. With a final surge of effort, the log is in place, a testament to Sam's unwavering will. Sam's hands carefully select smooth river stones, each one placed with meticulous precision on the riverbank. He focuses intently, building, trying to construct a solid base with the unyielding stones. Failed attempts litter the water, a testament to the challenge of his task. Sunlight glints off the water as he surveys the scattered stones, a silent acknowledgement of his struggle. He pauses, a hint of determination flickering in his eyes, ready to begin anew. Sunlight glints off the river as Sam crouches, his shadow stretching long and distorted over the stones. He meticulously adds stones to the riverbank structure, his touch both gentle and firm. Vines are tightened. Muscles in his arms strain against the stubborn resistance of nature's weave. A furrow deepens between his brows, a visible sign of the intense focus consuming him. Frustration flickers across his face as the makeshift structure threatens to collapse. "It just needs more support," Sam mutters, his breath misting in the sunlight. The old wooden bridge groans, a symphony of impending doom as Sam steps onto its weathered planks. With a splintering crash, the bridge gives way, plunging Sam into the muddy depths below. Soaked and sputtering, Sam surfaces, the murky water reflecting his profound disappointment. He kicks at a bobbing branch, his face etched with regret as the river mocks his failed efforts. Each ripple amplifies his sense of loss, a constant reminder of what he couldn't save. Sunlight paints the riverbank as Sam squints, catching a glimmer from the mud. Kneeling, he unearths a piece of driftwood, strange symbols etched upon it. The symbols glow faintly, an otherworldly script on weathered wood. Before Sam's eyes, the symbols shift, rearrange, coalescing into a single word. A voice whispers, a revelation carried on the breeze. "Share." On the riverbank, Sam scoffs, tossing a heavy plank aside, his frustration growing. Ignoring the ache in his muscles, he redoubles his efforts, a storm brewing within. "I don't need to share," he declares, his voice echoing with stubborn pride. The sinking feeling in his gut is ignored as he pushes forward, alone against the challenge. Twilight descends on the riverbank, casting long shadows over the scene of defeat. Amidst the wreckage of shattered ambition, I sit, utterly defeated. The sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of fading hope. A faint pulse emanates from the glowing plank, a subtle reminder of what was lost. Twilight paints the riverbank as he lifts the weathered plank, his touch lingering on the carved word, "share." His fingers trace the letters, each groove a memory etched deep into the wood. A moment of hesitation flickers across his face, a shadow of doubt clouding his eyes. The twilight deepens, casting long shadows that dance with his uncertainty. Crickets chirp in the growing darkness, their song amplifying his solitude. He stands alone, the plank a heavy weight in his hands, the river a silent witness. Lily and Max stand silhouetted against the twilight on the riverbank, concern etched deeply into their faces. Long shadows stretch across the landscape, painted in the fading hues of orange and purple. Lily's voice cuts through the quiet, her worry clear. "Need a hand, Sam?" The river flows silently between them, a barrier under the watchful eyes of dusk. Twilight paints the riverbank in long shadows as Sam stands at the water's edge, his hesitation a palpable thing. His gaze flicks nervously towards the plank bridging the water, a silent debate raging within him. He glances back at his friends, their expectant faces amplifying the pressure of his internal conflict. A visible struggle contorts his features, pride warring fiercely with bone-deep exhaustion. With a sigh, Sam seems to yield to the moment, muttering almost inaudibly, "Maybe. Maybe I do." Morning light bathes the riverbank as Lily, Max, and a companion begin their work. The air filled with purpose. Lily's hands move with practiced grace, weaving vines into a resilient lattice, nature bending to her will. Max carefully sets each stone, building a strong, unyielding foundation, strength rising from the earth. The atmosphere is thick with collaboration, each action a testament to their shared goal and mutual support. On the riverbank, Sam carefully guides the branches, their movements precise and focused. The glowing plank emits a warm light as it finds its rest on a nearby rock, a beacon in the morning. Laughter mingles with the air of focused concentration as they work together. A sense of shared accomplishment radiates between them amidst the serene riverbank. The final branch is secured. A makeshift bridge now bravely spans the river. Constructed of rough logs and sturdy rope, it stands as a testament to ingenuity. Children gather by the riverbank, their eyes wide with hopeful anticipation. Beaming faces reflect the sparkling water, eager for the adventure ahead. Excited chatter fills the morning air, a symphony of youthful glee. The joyful atmosphere is palpable, transforming the riverbank into a place of dreams. Sunlight glints off the water as children tentatively step onto the newly built bridge, their laughter echoing along the riverbank. Sam watches the children, his face lit with a genuine, heartfelt smile, a silent acknowledgement of a job well done. He turns, his eyes meeting Lily's across the space, a shared look of pride and accomplishment passing between them. Max nods in approval, the scene a testament to their combined efforts and a bright future for the community. The bridge stands as a symbol of unity, connecting not just land, but hearts, under the vast, open sky. At the riverbank, Sam lifts the glowing plank, its light now soft and warm. With focused care, he carves a circle beneath "Share," a symbol of unity. The joyful sound of children playing drifts from the distant bridge. The air is filled with innocence and light as the symbol takes form. The setting sun ignites the sky, casting long shadows as the day ends. Vibrant hues of orange and gold paint the horizon, reflecting on the tranquil river. Sam, Lily, and Max stand together, silhouetted against the radiant, colorful sky. A sense of shared understanding washes over them as they gaze at the sunset. True strength blossoms not from individual power, but from shared creation. United, they reflect on building something lasting together, a bond forged in the sunset.